Hi, I'm Rajesh from HRKevin.com. See, this is the most commonly used type of the resume used by the freshers in India. When you use this kind of resume, you will not get quality job offers. Looks wise, this resume is okay. But the problem with this resume is it is not an ATS friendly resume. It doesn't have required qualifications and this resume is not optimized for a specific job. Let's review this resume and at the end of the video, I will rewrite this resume and make it ATS friendly. See, this is a 2-page resume template, but as a fresher, you don't need a resume with 2 pages. A single page resume is enough. First, there is no need to write a heading like this resume. If you want to write it, you can write it in the file name. Next, come to the contact information. You took a lot of space in the header section. Actually, you don't need to write the entire address. You can write just your name, your mobile number and email ID, and your city name on the state with the pin code number. That will be enough. Next, come to the career objective. Here you can see it is a generalized career objective, but it is not specific to any particular job. And coming to educational qualification, the table format is very old format and it doesn't look professional as well. Next, coming to the technical skills. These skills like C, C++, these skills are not suitable for a candidate's resume like MBA. Here he can replace these skills with according to his profession. And in education section, he hasn't mentioned his specialization as well. So don't do those kind of mistakes. MS Office is okay. It is a common skill required by every profession. So when you are writing a resume, you should keep in your mind what skills are required to that specific job. I will give you a tip to write these skills in your resume at the end of this video. So please wait. Next, come to the strengths. There is no need to write strengths in your resume. It is better to replace strengths with more number of skills. Next, come to the project work. It is not detailed. Whether you do a real project or fake project, we have to mention at least 2 important things that you have learned in that project. Just writing a simple project line like this, it doesn't work. Next, come to the personal details. It is up to you to write personal details. Whatever the personal details you want to write, you can write it. There is no need to write blood group on your resume. Next, come to the declaration. It is also up to you. There is nothing wrong in it writing a declaration in a fresher's resume if you have a space in it. Otherwise, you can just ignore the declaration. Let's see how to rewrite this same resume in much efficient way. Even this person doesn't have much skills and any internship experience. Here you can see new version of that resume. Here the resume format is much simpler and it is ATS friendly. It is a 1-page resume. Here you can see the header section is very simple. It has only the required information like name, mobile number, email ID and address. Here I have added a resume title, which includes qualification and job designation that person is looking for. For example, this person is looking for a retail marketing job. He can mention it in his resume and he can also mention 1 or 2 skills in the resume title. For example, what skills are required for the retail marketing profession, retail sales and customer handling. Remember that even though you are not good at these skills, it is better to write in your resume because at least you have to know which skills are required for this job. Most of the times, many of us have these skills. You don't need to be an expert at these skills, but how to know what skills to write in the resume title. For that, go to naukri.com and here enter the job designation you want to get. For example, here the retail sales position the person is looking for. So just type retail sales here and in experience select 1 year. Don't select a fresher because if you select at least 1 year, you will get better skills and don't need to enter any location. Just click on search. Here you will see some job openings for retail sales jobs in different locations in India. Here you can see the skills. What skills are required for this position? Communication skills, retail sales, customer handling, and when you scroll down here, you can see verbal communication, retail sales, and here you can see counter sales, store merchandising, showroom sales. So like this, you have to find at least 5 to 7 best skills related to the job that you are looking for and write them in your resume. Here I have taken retail sales and customer handling in the resume title. And when coming to the skills section, here you can see all the skills I have copied from the Naukri job descriptions. Next, come to the career objective. Here you have to write career objective also specific to the job. Here you can see to build a career in retail marketing by using my skills in sales, customer service and store merchandising to improve customer experience and help business grow. Like this, you have to optimize your career objective. Next, coming to the education part. Here there is no table format. I have written education details in the bullet points. So like this, it is better to write education details in this format. It looks more professional. And skill section we already discussed. Next, coming to the certifications. If you don't have any previous internship experience or work experience, then it is better to mention any certifications. There are so many certifications related to your profile. You can do it for free and also under 500 rupees from websites like Udemy. Do at least one course related to your profile. For example, here I have mentioned retail management certification course on Udemy. Whenever there is an offer on the Udemy, do that course. And if you don't have money for that, just do a free course. Just watch the full course on the YouTube and you can mention it in your resume. For example, here I have mentioned customer service training course on YouTube. There are so many courses that are available on YouTube for free of cost. Just watch one full video. The courses are around 1 hour or above 1 hour. So do at least one course. And there is no need to get certificates as well. Just enroll for the course and learn at least 3 things from that particular course. Then you are eligible to write it in your resume, because when recruiter asks you any questions about the certification, you can be in a position to answer them. So at least learn 3 things from any course that you do. Next, come to the projects. This is the most difficult part for most of the freshers, because some freshers, they don't have the real project work experience. In that case, whatever the project you have submitted in your college, you have to include that project in the resume. Here you can see the project title and the year in which the project was completed and the name of the company and the location. Now you have to write at least 2 important things you have learned in that project. Keep those points very simple so that if the recruiter asks you, you can easily answer it. Don't make this part difficult. Next, come to the personal details. It has date of birth, marital status, and the languages and the hobbies. Sometimes the recruiters even show interest in the candidate's hobbies, because even the recruiters are also humans, so it is better to write hobbies in your resume. But be careful when you write hobbies like reading books, because you have to know something about this topic. So that is the ATS friendly of this resume and it looks much professional. If you want to download this resume, I will give it in this video description. Just click on that link and you can download this. I hope you like this video. For more videos like this, subscribe to HR Cabin.